Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Analytics on WordPress. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to your WordPress or website panel or admin panel, and from here you can control your website. So basically, for our WordPress or for our website to set up our Google Analytics, we need just to use some plugins. There are plugins that you can use like Jetpack and other plugins, but the most reliable one is the Google plugin. All you need to do is just to go to the plugin menu here from this navbar. You will need just to go to plugins. Here you will find add new plugin. By clicking on add new plugin, we will need just to search for the plugins or the Google Kit plugin. So all you need to do is to type Google Kit or just type Google and you will find the Google Kit the first as the first choice. And basically this is a plugin developed by Google and you can install it, and as you can see you can have the Google Analytics and AdSense here on your website. So basically I'm just going to install it now, and we will need just to wait for the Google to be set on our website. You activate the plugin, and basically from here you can start the setup. And by clicking on start the setup, you can start connecting your Google Analytics by signing in with your Google account that it has the Google Analytics. And after that, you can start having, or you can start controlling and using Google Analytics on your website. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.